So good Thursday morning, as the neighborhood hood rat decides he's going to do virtual in the shop. Is this some shit or what?
I'm going virtual too.
Are you? You're virtual too?
Virtual.
Nice. Nice.
Okay.
So now he's virtual in the shop. I mean, sure, just come on in. Come on in.
Okay. Thanks, Miss Carr.
Thanks, Miss Carr.
For an hour. Okay. Okay.
Well, you got to ask her if she minds if the rest of it take the class.
Yeah, it should be my email for
This place is insane. They'll turn this place into a fucking loony bin or something. So this is like everybody's pit stop on the way down, apparently.
Alright, thanks, Miss Carr. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Okay, bye.
Did you get it all figured out there, Joseph?
Yep.
Giuseppe? I'm gonna start calling him Giuseppe. So are we going to school today, Giuseppe, or what?
Yep.
Doing a little virtual?
Yep.
A little virtual education?
It's not virtual, but
Well, it's kind of like you're on a class trip, because instead of doing it like at home in your bedroom or in the living room, you're down here doing it in the shop.
yeah.
That's awesome. Wow, I wish I could do that.
On the questions.
Wish I could do stuff like
These
that.
questions are easy as hell too, and I don't know.
Jesus Christ, what's going on in the world today? This fucking kid is on virtual in the shop. Like, seriously, what the fuck is going on in this world today?
I'm on the phone with the cord. I can't hear.
Oh, you're on the phone. What happened? What are you doing?
Yeah, that's good.
The fuck is going on in this place? What is wrong with the world?
What the hell is wrong with the damn world, bro?
No, you're gonna have to put Joey to work today. When Al comes here, you're gonna have to move over or something. I think since you're in school today, you should also have your fucking mask on. While you're on the computer, you should have your mask on.
Hey, Russ, ask me a question. What is 8 divided by 4?
I don't know, what is it?
It's 2. Mushroom stew.
This is gonna be a long fucking day. This is gonna be a long day. Welcome to the Ground Up School of Technology, Aeronautics, and fucking Aeronautics,
Okay.
Goofanautics. Welcome to the Ground Up School of Goofanautics.
What's 10 divided by 10?
10 divided by 10.
Let's see.
That's probably about,
0, right?
probably about, oh,
1.
sweet Jesus. What is wrong with the world today?
Let's contend for